Grabe naman kayo. Anong kanta? Okay. I can't stand to fly. I'm not that naive. I just out to find the better fight of me. I'm more than a bird. I'm more than a friend.
Okay.
Masakit ang dibdib ko.
Hindi dibdib yan, lalamunan yan. Ito ang dibdib, ha? Ito lalamunan, ito dibdib. O, sige, ngayon, sayaw. Kunwari may music.
Ano sayaw?
Yung sexy. Okay. Sko? Ay! Michael Jackson. Aspiring. Pwede. Try mo naman magpatawa.
Ano? Ang ganda mo pala. Akala ko ikaw maganda. Ay, buti kayo! Nasa likod mo. Ay, ano? Ay, mukha. Wow, ang ganda. Ikaw ba yan?
Ikaw naman. Patawa na ba yun?
Ganyan lang.
Ganyan lang.
Lang naman yan eh. Simple lang. Babati ko para sa girlfriend ko. Pwede bumati. Pwede bumati sa mga girlfriend ko. Special ito. Ano ba ka sa Bill Durabel, Gini ka, Gini po, sa Mimpi Level, Bridget, Tamila, Pilla, Pilipina, Rila, na. Don't never na brag you say. Thank you.
Para naintindihan ko yun. Lahat ng laway mo napunta sa mic.
Sa girlfriend ko yun, kaya lang may mga karibal ako.
Ano?
Mga karibal sa mga girlfriend ko marami.
So madami kang girlfriend?
Marami akong girlfriend, kaya ngayon na sa akin.
Bakit?
Pangit raw ako. Pangit ba ako? Hindi naman, di ba?
Hindi ka pangit sa paningin ko. Okay.
Maraming salamat.
Ayan. Okay, so, Jay, since marunong ka sumayaw, so kakanta ko, tapos sasayaw ka. Siyempre, secret, ito na, patugtugin na natin, diba? Siya, kailangan sayawan mo ako. Ha? Sexy, ah. Medyo kasi malamig, umuulan, medyo pawis ang konti. Okay, music please. Palakpakan naman natin si Jay. Come on, everyone. Yan, sige, entertain mo silang lahat. You're upon a faraway soul. We could both make fun of it. Lucky that I love a foreign land for the fact of your existence. Maybe I will coffee and it's so me. That was something. Never could imagine there were only too many ways to love someone. Can't you see? I'm at your feet. Whatever we're meant to be together out there and you. Ako sayon mo, you're till my here on top. You'll never have to wonder. We can always play by ear. That's the deal. Meron hong retarded na sumasayaw sa stage. Dito tayo. Lucky that my lips not only mumble, slow kisses like a lucky that my breasts, ako sayawan mo, but with mountains. Lucky I'm strong like my mother, like a bubble when, and he's so wise up for no other than the evil fire away. I'm at your feet. Whatever meant to be together out there and here. That's the truth. You're over, you're under. You'll never have to wonder. You'll always stay right here. And that's the truth. Naku, ako kaya mo yan pag nakaharap ka sa akin. Sige, yung ginagawa mo kanina. Okay, let's go. We can say it again. Tell me why. medyo lang, medyo lang. Whenever